Hi guys, welcome to Dhuru Labs. In this video, you're going to see about Brave versus Chrome. That's comparison. So first I open Chrome as well as Brave. Okay, so let's see the settings or the tabs, menus. Okay, this is the brave.com and this is the menu, new tab, new window and wallet and settings and same thing in the Chrome. They have some menu options. Okay, so let's go to the settings in both the places. Okay, so getting started appearance and so many things are there. New tab page, shields, Brave rewards. This is one the way of earning money. Sync search engine. We have lots of search engine that go Bing and so many things, and the extensions and the wallet details, autofill. What are the what forms we have to fill, downloads and many things. Yeah, let's go this do the same for the Chrome. Okay, autofill, privacy and security, appearance, search engine, and we have some four options. Yeah, and default browser options on startup, what we have to do, languages. So this most of the options will be there. So only thing is the place will be different. Let's see the task manager, how the memory is used by both the browsers. So you see Brave is I feel like little compared little less when it comes for the CPU, but memory is a little more. Let's see, okay. But just opening with the new tab or just with one tab, we can't confirm. So let's open many tabs and let's see it. Okay, I'm going for extension. First, see what are the extensions available in Chrome and Brave. And both are built on top of Chromium. So most of the plugins which is available in Chrome is available in Brave also because it's both are using the same extension library or repository. So I'm going, so you can't see any, you can't find any extensions URL or separate for Brave. Okay, I will show you. Okay, again, I'm searching is there any other places it's available. Okay, developers and community. Again, once again going, no, it's not available. So I'm going to browser extension URL and clicking what are the browser extension. Okay, so there they are saying like it's Chrome Web Store only. So what is available for Chrome? That is same thing available for Brave also. Okay, so let's see the option is add to Brave, but the URL is chrome.google.com. So let's do the same thing in the Chrome, but here you're seeing the option as add to Chrome. So that's the only difference. Remaining the extension wise, both are same. Now again, let's go for the task manager. Okay, you can see, right? So I feel like comparatively Brave is performing well in the memory and CPU usage because I have tried to open multiple things and tried. Okay, so it's fluctuating. Let's find. That's fine. Okay, one another thing is Brave reward. So whenever you are searching something in the Brave, you will get the reward because they will do some ads and for that you will get some money. So I got 5.5 bat. So one bat is equal to some amount. Okay. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, share with your friends. Bye bye.